Well, hello team. Happy Monday. Welcome to the video. All you awesome people out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey guys, if you find this video, if you like it and you find value in it, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, share, pass it along. Hey folks, we're looking for ways to grow income at home and guys, to explode our income. We know that now, which is July, all the way through tax time of next year, now is the best time to get involved with home-based businesses. And I'm telling you what, guys, we're going to see explosions, income explosions in home-based businesses over the next few months. Now it's time to get positioned to win, and you can win big. And guys, one thing I like about systems that we're promoting, we have instant pay systems that you can utilize, direct mail flyers, and most of all, postcards. Postcard marketing, folks, is absolutely where it's at. I mean, and when you do it over and over and over and over again, you'll find out that postcard mailing absolutely works, and it works fantastic. And you take action. You take daily action into your business, guys, and you can start creating $200 to $300 average days. I mean, and if you get really excited, guys, you can have days all in between $200, $300, $400, $500 plus days with some of these systems that we're currently promoting. They are absolutely incredible. So we're extremely excited about what these systems are doing, how they are helping people to grow their income. Guys, if you can mail a postcard with these programs, you can win, and you can win big. Guys, I'm going to review two systems today. The marketing systems for two postcard programs I'm currently excited about. One is the automated income system. Share the number. Guys, this thing has produced commissions for me over and over and over again. And guys, I tell you what, you can sign up for as low as $39 right up to $3,500 in this system. Super excited. Guys, it says now earn up to $3,000 a day with our done for you stupid simple system. Guys, if you can share this number and this promo code, you'll get your own promo code. When you get your site, it'll look just like this. You'll have the number here, which is the 618-355-1121 number, and then your promo code will go right here. Guys, people come to your website, they'll see the video and they'll get excited. And guys, step 3, they'll see the lead packages and the comp plan. Very, very informative and very powerful. And guys, it's so super simple to grow your income with this system. Guys, view the lead packages. When you get a chance, guys, I want you to look at this video on the levels that you can come in and that you can participate in. Let's click here, guys, to review the membership packages, the levels of participation that you can join. You can join for free, 14-day free trial. You can earn the $10 per sale. You can come in at the gauge level, the starter level, the silver, the gold, the platinum, the diamond, the double diamond, and the royal. So exciting. And guys, when you come in at a higher level, you're going to automatically get the lesser levels absolutely free. Fantastic system, guys. I've got a proven postcard that has created me sales over and over again. This is going to be a great business going into 2019. Another business, guys, that I am currently working with also is called Instant Postcard Wealth. Guys, this thing is incredible also. This is an easy system to promote. You just mail postcards, and you can utilize solo ads, Facebook marketing, pay per click, whatever you want to do. You don't have to just necessarily mail postcards, or you can do a little bit of both. And guys, this system is extremely exciting. If you can mail a postcard, you can win with this system. Over and over again, guys, I get payment notifications. Guys, this system, you can start creating $100 to $300 average days. Guys, some days I pick up $200, $300, $400 per day in this system, mailing simple postcards. Guys, I tell you what, people used to say that postcard marketing is dated. Nothing on earth can be further from the truth as to what you can do. Can you make this system work for you? Absolutely. You just mail postcards daily and start making money. that is just that exciting. Guys, you're going to get the postcard, Instant Postcard Wealth Guide. This is your product. Once you become a member, you'll receive a guide, which is a downloadable ebook that you're selling. And it will teach you how to profitably market any home-based business. There are 24 proven postcard designs that you can use for any home-based business that you're currently pushing and that you're currently promoting. And you can utilize these postcard templates to promote your current business. So guys, it's not only a business that you can make unlimited $98 payments, guys, and build yourself $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month income. You could utilize this program to help you in your other businesses. If you don't have a business, this can become your primary business, guys. I've been in this program for over 2.5 years, and my income explodes on a daily basis with this program. You just click on here, guys, and you get signed up. It's just that simple. Let me show you the power of this system and what is absolutely possible when you mail your postcards. Let's listen to what David Mallet has to say.
Hi, my name is David Mallet. That's the picture of me working at my desk. I'm a work-from-home internet marketer out here in San Diego, California, and I wanted to share with you my experience with the Instant Postcard Wealth program. I was exposed to it about 7 weeks ago, and I want to show you what I was able to do my first 6 weeks. And I've broken it down by a week, how many postcards I mailed out, that's the quantity, how many sales I made, and the income that I brought in. So week number 1, I mailed out 500 postcards. I know that might seem like a lot, but I just wanted to do a nice round number, and it's very inexpensive to mail postcards, by the way. And you can start with whatever you want. You want to send out 50 or 100 or whatever's comfortable for you. I made 7 sales, and I had $686 deposited into my checking account. So already I was far into profit, considering the cost of the program was only $98 plus the $10 for shipping and handling. Week number 2, I did the same thing. 6 sales, $588 into my checking account. I ended up doubling that number the next week. So week number 3, got 11 sales and $1,078. Did the same thing in week 4, got 13 sales, $1,274 deposited into my checking account. Week number 5, I doubled the last week's mailing, and I doubled the sales. So it's a consistent theme that you'll see here. Every time I double my mailings, the sales double, and that's pretty much across the board with everybody that I know that is working the Instant Postcard Wealth program as a reseller. Week number 6, I did 3,000 mailings, and I did 36 sales, and into my checking account was deposited $3,528. I hate to say it, but that's actually better than anything that I've ever done online. So postcard marketing seems to be kind of old-fashioned, but it's really a part of the multi-billion-dollar direct mail industry, and I'm very, very happy with it. So I just want to give you some details as to how this works exactly. So when you get your program, when you make your purchase, I should say, in 2 to 3 days, you'll get in the mail the Instant Postcard Wealth Guide. And
guys, I'm going to pause it right there. Instead of receiving it in the mail, now it's instant downloadable. It's a digital product, so there's no need for us to mail the guide. They get it instantly in the back office. Incredible.
Inside the guide is included 10 postcards that are very successful at work. They're all proven, that will send prospects to your website. Now, you're going to get a website just like this. Don't worry, you don't have to create it, you don't have to write it, you don't have to do anything. It's already done for you. The guide explains how all this works. And when somebody purchases the Instant Postcard Wealth Guide from you, the $98 plus $10 shipping and handling gets deposited directly into your bank account. Now, the only thing that you have to do is mail them a copy of the Instant Postcard Wealth Guide. So the first thing that you do when you get your guide is you just make a bunch of copies of it. That's what you get to do as a 100% resale right seller of this program. And then you take the Instant Postcard Wealth Guide, you drop it into a priority mail envelope, and you send it out to your new customer. That's as hard as it gets. Now, the guide will walk you through step by step on how to do it. There's also 12 educational videos that are hosted online that you'll get access to. And some of the great things about this program are, within 7 to 10 days, you will start creating some income. You don't have to create anything. In fact, the postcards are already done for you. At least the ads are. You'll have to have them printed up, of course. You just have to resell this exact product. So while you're selling this program, you're going to learn how to market anything you want with postcards. In fact, a lot of the products that I sell online, I'm now starting to sell using postcards. And what I've discovered is I'm making more money. Postcards are cheaper than advertising online. It's less frustrating. You don't have to deal with Google. I mean, I can go on and on as to why postcards are much simpler, they're more straightforward, and they're much cheaper and more effective than internet marketing. So if you've already got a product, or you want to market a business opportunity plan that you got, or whatever it is, this program will teach you how to do it. On top of that, you'll get paid to resell the program, and everything's already done for you. Okay. You'll work maybe 4 to 8 hours a week. I'm working, I think, maybe 3 to 4 hours a week doing this. So 3 hours, 4 hours a week to get around $3,000, $3,500 deposited into your checking account every week. That's not a lot to ask. So if any part of this program seems, a little too good to be true, I just want to have you bear in mind that all you're doing is partnering and becoming a reseller of a product that's already proven and a system that's already proven. So it's not dependent upon you, your ability, your talents, your skills. All you have to do is print up postcards and send them to the group of people that are outlined in the guide. And as far as the group of people goes, 4 million hot prospects are added to these enormous mailing lists every single month. And inside the guide, it shows you how to find them. And by the way, this is really the reason why Mike White shares this program. And there's no way in the world he or I or anybody else that's reselling this program is going to send out 4 million postcards in a month. I have to say that this is by far the best $98 that I've ever spent in my life. It has a tremendous return on investment to the tune of at least $3,000 a week for me now. And I didn't have to create anything. I'm just reselling this product, and I've learned a lot about postcard marketing and how to sell my other products. So I hope you take advantage of it. I hope you can see yourself doing this, making thousands of dollars a week just partnering up with Mike White in the Instant Postcard Wealth program. Get started today. Go down and click the buy button, and you'll have your guide in the mail in a couple of days. And I look forward to hearing about your success.
Okay, guys, as you can see, mailing cheap postcards from the comfort of your home. If you can answer yes, guys, you can make some serious money with this Instant Postcard Wealth program. You're going to get a website just like this one that you're on now. People will be able to stroll down to the bottom. Guys, these are monthly payments. They come in every month after month, month after month. Residual $98 payments. This is exciting. And if you make a sale today, you get paid today. So we're excited about that. You come on down, guys, to the bottom. And you just click on the buy button. And it'll take you to the buy page, guys. And then you can order right here. Guys, you can order via PayPal or through PayEasy with this site. Guys, if you have any questions about the video, guys, feel free to reach out to me. There's my phone number, my contact information, or you can call or text me anytime. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Again, like, share, pass it along, and go from there. Guys, here's another super excited resource that I'm excited about. It's called the Wilson's List, guys. I am using these direct mail labels to go on my postcards with the Instant Postcard Wealth, guys, program, and they're working fantastic. They're filling my PayPal and my mailbox with cash when I use these leads. They come to you in a box via priority mail on pill and stick labels. These are super responsive income opportunity seekers that are looking for opportunities like the Instant Postcard Wealth program, and they're looking for opportunities like the big ticket automated income system. Two of the best systems, guys, that I'm using. I'm super excited. I'm totally stoked about these programs. If you have any questions, guys, reach out to me, and I'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Have a wonderful day, guys. Like the video, and bye for now.